most has been spoken by our Women League leader. We had the call from your leadership, Mama, and the least we could do is to reflect your voice to the friends that we have a connection with. So we want, in a very special way, to thank Ugandans here in Uganda and Ugandans abroad for heeding to this call. We are just a connection, between those that can offer some assistance to the people of Kasese. And it is my pleasure to hand over 13.5 million shillings that we collected from friends from Uganda and abroad. And we continue to also encourage other Ugandans to do the little they can do to make sure that our brothers and sisters in Kasese are relieved. So with that, we pray that it gets better and we stand together with the people of Kasese.
Thank you so much, my friend and comrade, Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi, together with the entire team of the People Power Movement. I am lost of words. I really don't know how I can appreciate your leadership. I don't know how I can appreciate the Ugandans here and abroad for their kindness, for the gesture of brotherhood and sisterhood they have exhibited to the suffering people of Kasese. As a mother, when I was moving through the camps, I almost fainted. When I saw the situation the mothers were going through, when I saw a situation where women, men and children are all in a church hall, they are in a classroom, and at one point I saw a woman collapsing, crying, because she had lost virtually everything and she didn't know where to go to. So that's how I carried a basket and made a passionate call to whoever cared to listen, to sympathize. And I'm so humbled that today, here at the offices of the People Power Movement, I'm receiving a donation of 13.5 million from the friends in the US. I also received donations from the friends in Canada. I have received contributions and donations from Ugandans of all walks of life. I want to congratulate all Ugandans and thank them heartily for the good heart. There is a Ugandan who sent me 2,000. And he said, Winnie, I saw the basket. I felt touched. I don't have anything. Just have that 2,000. Maybe you may buy a biscuit for a child. There is a police officer who sent me 20,000 and said, Winnie, I'm a police officer. I'm a father. I'm a Ugandan. I know what is happening in Kasese. That 20,000 can change a life. All Ugandans from all walks of life, I want to thank you for the contributions. My friend and honorable colleague, Robert Kyagulanyi, with the team that you're working with the friends that you mobilized, I want to thank you. Mchala Aisha, Ali California, called me in the morning and said, the People Power team in the US and other Ugandans in the diaspora who are not necessarily People Power feel for you. I want to thank everybody. I am humbled, and I want to thank you once again for this gesture of brotherhood, of sisterhood, for the care for humanity. And I know together we shall continue restoring lives. I will deliver the message to the team in Kasese. We shall let some of your members be there as we deliver the relief for you to know and for them to be part of this activity. I want to thank you.
Thank you very much.
At an opportune time, I'm going to give you a letter of appreciation from my office, first to the People Power office, and also to our colleagues in the diaspora who contributed, so that they can know that their support was sincerely appreciated and heartily acknowledged. So Ugandans, I want to thank you. I know, like my colleagues have said, we are still calling upon all people of goodwill. We have lost schools, we have lost hospitals, people lost their livelihood, people have lost homes, they have lost property. So anything that can go a long way in restoring hope is highly welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And may the people of Kasese receive our love. Let me bonga on you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Lewis.
Let me also bonga.
Thank you. Chairman. Sister Flavia.
You two are twins.
Oluganda.
Yeah.
So want us to do the whole thing again?
Just to have the interview in Uganda.
From me or from Uganda? Start from you. Sure. Mwebale nnyo munaffe Comrade Flavia Kalule Nabagabe akulira ttiimu y'abakyala. Twagala okwebaza mikwano gyaffe mwenna wano mu Uganda n'abali ebweru wa Uganda olw'okuddukirira omulanga naffe gwe twa amplifyinga oba gwe twayongerako obwongezi ku ddoboozi. Omulanga ogwo gwali gwa mukulembeze munnaffe Honorable Winnie Kiza ng'ayita bannayuganda bonna bonna ab'ekisa okuddukirira abantu baffe ab'e Kasese oluvannyuma lw'okufuna obuzibu bw'amataba. Twagala okwebaza bannayuganda abali wano Uganda n'okwetoloola Uganda abazze batusonderako ssente era olunaku lwaleero tulina essanyu okwanjula $1,13,500 eri Honorable Winnie Kiza. Obubaka bwaffe eri bannaffe ab'e Kasese embeera eno gye muyitamu tugiraba nzibu nnyo ate nga ejidde mu kiseera ekizibu. Tuyimiridde nammwe tuyinza obutasobola kukola byonna byonna byetaagisa naye emitima gyaffe egiri nammwe era twongera naffe okunga bannayuganda bonna buli alina kyasobola okukola okuddukirira abantu b'e Kasese naddala nga tuyita mu mukulembeze munnaffe Honorable Winnie Kiza tukole kye tusobola. Tubasabira era tusaba Mukama abagumye. Honorable Winnie Kiza tukwebaza n'olw'okuwa obukulembeze obulungi n'olw'okwewaayo okuddukirira abantu b'e Kasese. Mukama akutuwere nnyo omukisa.
Do you want to say Uganda?